Because we have so much of it.
Ganito, pag gutom, magsayaw. Ay naku, Lord. I'm hungry, honey. Ouch. Honey, what are you doing?
Chopping parsley.
Chopping the curly parsley. Wait. Bastos magganap na to. Our chef for tonight, Jeffrey Videos. Crazy. Yeah, he really likes to cook, guys. I'm so lucky. He's trying to make me fat. It's boiling now. I think the corn is done. Isn't it? What are you putting now?
Potatoes do you want?
3. Potatoes in. Tuna, shrimp, and crab legs. No crab legs. Kainan na. Like that. Time to eat na tayo. Plus sauce. Where's the butter? No butter. Yung mga anak kong...
Mommy, not the pig.
Ay, apig ko yan. Yung meow meow.
Meow.
Okay, there's the missing butter. Okay, guys. Oh my God, can we just eat now? Come on now.
Got it. Hey.
Mommy.
You have a corn. Eat your corn. No! Don't touch that. Come on, eat now your corn.
Oh my God! A sticky tear.
So tasty.
A sticker tear. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Up there! We are coming. What is he? Yeah.
Patrick, can you read, please?
Show? I cannot find his son. Oh, you
Kuya, can you guys sit down, please, and eat? I'm gonna put it in the garbage chute.
Mommy! Mr. Kaboo!
Want some?
I want some.
Okay. Kuya, can you sit down in Charlotte chair first? Because Charlotte gonna sit here. Have to sit on it. Come on.
Help me! Help me! Help! Help! Mommy! I'm fine.
You are fine, of course. Now pull it, please. Yeah, you want it down, right?
I'm good.
Want to stretch it out?
Yeah.
Charlotte, eat whatever mommy and daddy eat. Right, Charlotte? Okay, come on. Crab, shrimp. Come on.
No. No.
No problem with Charlotte.
No. Put back.
We'll take a video, look. Let's see where it works.
No. Look. Look at TV.
Don't worry about it.
I'm dead. Daddy, I'm dead. There's a number. You are walking dead. Right? And you were dead with a bit. What? What?
Yeah.
What the?
No wonder it's on sale, honey. That much meat.
Daddy. Yeah.
Honey, how can you tell?
I know.
Dummy. Dummy.
Oh wow, you're lucky.
Well, you're not opening it in the middle.
It's already been
What are you guys eating? Guys, there was something. No, something. My mommy.
Welcome to
My
shopping.
mommy, I like cookie.
Guys, welcome to shop. Where'd you get that?
Let's go shopping. Flip. Flip. No. No.
I love it.
Patrick,
God, your voice is gonna be in there.
will you please
Loud.
stop screaming? You're eating.
Gonna pull Charlotte in.
I almost saw its butt.
Yeah?
Patrick, you want to go into the car for a while?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
You don't want to be hit.
Open, honey.
I don't want to behave. I could be a bad boy. I'm not gonna be a.
Kuya, water please.
Dead meat.
Kuya, win.
I'm dead meat. Look, it's a tree. Now the tree's gone. There's some rocks. The rocks are gone. There's some big rocks. Wait, there's no more rocks
Put it
anymore.
down.
There's some bushes.
I think you ever cook the shrimp.
Look, there's a city too.
Kind of true.
Look at that city.
She really likes shrimp,
Look
buddy.
at that's where we go
Yeah.
fishing.
Shrimp and crabs, daddy.
That's where we go to the trail. That's where. That's
Patrick, eat.
that's
This is all the crabs that you bought, honey? Nothing
No,
else?
there's more.
That's where we just.
There's more there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's where we
I was kind of disappointed, honestly.
There's more mountains. And the whole entire bubble.
No more corn, right?
There's another piece of corn here. Yep. You
No,
want
that's
it?
for Patrick. No, I'm done.
Well, Patrick's not eating, said he's not going to eat it.
I want to eat it. I want to eat the corn. I want
Here.
That's one.
That is one. And it's not hot.
Yay! Well,
More crabs!
oh, more food. Happy. No. I need to go pee-pee.
Are you done, Charlotte?
No.
Okay, now if you're done. Your mom can eat it, okay?
I'm gonna eat it, bro. Yay! Son. Yeah.
Okay guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Ito, nalasing na ako sa, ano ba to? Sukang tuba with chili.
Yeah.
It's good!
Yeah.
What nga? Bleh daw, sabi ng anak ko. No, it's good na. It's good. It's yummy. Tapos na ang lahat. Iniwan na nila ako. Wala na. Tapos na. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. See you soon!